can we take a brief moment to appreciate how neatly done this hair is. Shout out to Samantha for doing these plaits for us. We're gonna get straight into oiling our hair. My niece also has a channel. I'm gonna be putting it on the screen here. Do run over to her and subscribe. All right, so today we are going to be doing crochet locks, butterfly locks on my niece, and we're going to be doing the wrapping method. So we're using these Nala Tress 24-inch Bali butterfly locks, and I bought these online. And then for the wrapping, we're going to be using the Cuban twist, which we're going to be cutting in half. So to get started, I'm going to be using two methods. I typically don't like to start at the root of the hair because, oh my gosh, when this is to be taken down, especially after you've been wearing it for a while, the struggle becomes real. So I am taking it from the single strands of plait itself, and then I'm going to be crocheting the excess of her hair, and then I'm just going to be wrapping to about 1.5 inches, 2 inches probably. Take a closer look at the process. Now, some people like to crochet the Cuban twist in, or the hair that they're going to use for wrapping. I can do that method, which I'm going to show you guys closer toward the end of the hair. But I like to save time by just setting the hair on the strand of her natural hair and then wrapping. You can choose to start from the 2 inches up, or you can choose to start from her hair, from the roots of her hair downward. I do either. I like to kind of go up towards the root of her hair, because then the little strand that's left, you can kind of just tuck it between the roots of her hair and the Cuban twist, if that makes sense. All right, so we're gonna do a time lapse. I'm gonna speed this up some, and then I'll give you guys a close-up like when we get closer to the top portion of her head. Now, if you're still here and you've not subscribed to the channel, we are in the process of trying to grow our channel. So if you would subscribe to the channel, we would appreciate you so much. It does not cost you a thing, just a click of a button. And if you are here watching, we do appreciate your time. Go on, subscribe to the channel. Here is a bit of a close-up for you. I'm gonna just have you guys watch for a few seconds. Pretty much this is the one where the wrapping is going towards the root of her hair, and then you're gonna wrap until you've tucked everything away. With this type of hair too, once you wrap, it's not going to unravel. All right, so let's do just another close-up, and then we can wrap this hairstyle up. So you grab a hold of her hair, pull it through the crochet hair, and crochet that one more time, because you want to be wrapping our hair around our own hair. And then because this is 24 inches, you probably gained an 1.5 inches in length. So your goal is to wrap and cover any excess as you're going. And as you wrap, you want to make sure that you're kind of overlapping the hair every time you wrap. This is what we're kind of looking like so far, and we're at the top. So we're gonna do the crocheting of the Cuban twist at the very top on the last 3 that we have. So we start with the regular crochet, and now we're gonna crochet the Cuban twist. And then you're gonna make one end of it longer, and you want to keep, for wrapping, the ends that has, or the end rather, that has like a tip, not the blunt end. You want to be wrapping over the blunt end. Folks, we are on what should be the very last one here, but then we caught one right here when we thought we were done. So we're just wrapping this one that should have been the final one, but I did the other one off camera. So yes, thank you for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Do share this with someone who may need it. It's all repetition, so don't you just wish when you get to the top of the head you could speed it up this way? All right, we're now going to be using La Belle's authentic Jamaican castor oil. If you do not have La Belle and you want to see how she makes her oil and how she makes stuff for hair, do go check her out. So I'm oiling scalp, and then we're all done. Look how gorgeous that is. How beautiful the hair is. The hair is pretty, I have to admit. Gorgeous. We ended up using 6 packs. So these 6 packs, I would have made the boxes bigger just so that we didn't have to use this much hair. So we ended up using a total of 61 hair. So that gives us 61 parts altogether. But it's really beautiful. She says it's not heavy. The hair is pretty lightweight. So yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.